Okay. Yolanda, Daddy has to fix the elevator. Oh, okay. Hindi ba baliktad? I think you have to do this one, Dad. See? Okay, there you go. Yeah, okay. Ayun siya po. All good, Dad. Add all your stuff now, Jelana. No, just here for a while until. Where's the, where's the, oh, siya na mag-busy na siya dyan. Okay, you fix it now. Ate don't need to eat now. What did you say, anak? Thank you. Thanks to God. How about grandma? Okay, now you can play. Oh, can they do the slide? Do you think the slide can work? Can you do the slide? Okay. But doon ka sa likod. Oh, Jilana, go there in the at the back so I can see it coming down. Okay, go. Okay, one more. I didn't see it. Again. Okay, game. Okay, again. Oh, where do you put the plant ni yung mga plant? Dito ata mother sa tuktok mga ganyan ni. Where you put those plant? Diyan. Juliana, where do we put the plant? There you go, Grandma. Put the plants now. Oh, the dog's there? Oh, the sticker. That the sticker. She had the sticker. Ca- Can you have Daddy do the stickers though? Oh, here. We need a sticker here. Oh, ano, yung mga sticker dito ni, ay wag, ano yung mga sticker ni, saan nilalagay dito? Ito lalagyan natin ng sticker parang TV ba yan? Oh, the book. Busy na. Yeah mo na. You did it right though. You did good job. Yeah, you did good job. Mother, ikaw nilagyan ng sticker mo dito na eh. Dito. Anong ilalagay mo dyan ng sticker? See? Pwede yan, libro. Kunyari, libro. Yan, sa gitna. Dilana, as the sticker, open the sticker with grandma. Do you know how to open it? Yeah. Ay, dito sa gilid kaya. Now get the book. The book one. The book one. In the middle. Mm. Next, what's next? You want that one? Oh, you can put the love. This one, love. See the purple one, no? Is it taller than you?